Okay, this is the first time in about 6 months that Colorado has neither been on fire nor snowing or both at the same time, so I'm going to do some casting. I've got the furnace sitting here, growling away. There's some aluminum over there. And here are my molds with a bunch of steel around them to hold them down in case one of the molds fractures and floats up on the aluminum. I've got a propane tank over there. I've got a water hose over there in case anything goes wrong. And there's the crucible with some aluminum in it. So what I'm going to do is just keep loading aluminum in there, and as it warms up, I'll take short videos each time that it, looks interesting. Part 2. These things over here are a bunch of ingots that are from a Subaru engine block I melted down. I'm going to pour what's left over in this guy right here. I've got it on some bricks because otherwise it'll light the ground on fire. Let's see how we're doing in here. It has started melting, so I added a little bit more stuff. It doesn't look very melted from this standpoint, but if you look down in the bottom left-hand corner, there's a little shiny bit of molten aluminum. Maybe the aluminum will be easier to see. You can see the shiny stuff up at the top right. That's molten. Let's add some more aluminum to it. About time to pour. So I'm going to take this, scrape some of the dross back, and then I'm going to take my phone and hook it up somewhere else so that I can actually do the pouring process, because there's no way I can do that safely with the phone in my hand. And here we go. I'm going to kill the propane to the burner, and then I'm going to start working on getting the pour going. So the top goes off on some bricks I have here because the top two will light everything on fire that it touches. And I pour out a ton of aluminum. Line it up as carefully as I can. And we start pouring. Hope that worked. Man, this was taking a lot more aluminum than I expected. Might have a short pour here. Nope, I can see aluminum coming up. Yep, there we are. That's perfect. Take the leftovers, dump it over here. I gotta go put the crucibles on a brick so that it won't light the ground on fire. And our pour is done. I hope it came out well.